Real estate is like matchmaking. From day one, I like to know who my clients are, what they like to do, what they want, what they need, so I can find them the ideal match. I am the one who goes above and beyond for her clients. Whatever they want, whatever they need, I always have them covered. From estimates, referrals, or even a pizza delivery right after they move in, they can always rely on me. Most importantly, I always want my clients to know that I have their best interests at heart. At the end, I'm very grateful for my clients' trust and for making me part of this process. I always follow up with my clients every now and then and make myself available in case they need anything. And if they do, they call me and I always answer. Hello? I gotcha. My name is Isabella and I help people find their spot. Hello? I gotcha.